Today we will make homemade chicken pizza. First we will start by making the pizza base, then we will make the chicken toppings, and finally we will bake and serve. What you will need to make the pizza dough: 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First, mix the yeast and sugar in a cup of warm water and leave it for 5 minutes so that the yeast is active. Then in a large bowl, mix the flour, salt and yeast mixture well. Add the olive oil to it and keep kneading it slowly until a soft dough is formed. When the dough is smooth, cover it and leave it for an hour so that it rises. Now let's make the chicken toppings. Chicken breast 200 grams. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Oil 1 tablespoon. A little lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and marinate the chicken and keep it for 20 minutes. Then fry the chicken on medium heat until it is cooked and lightly brown. Now let's make the pizza sauce. Tomato puree 1/2 cup. Chopped garlic 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of sugar. A little chili flakes. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. 1 tablespoon of oil. Fry the garlic in a pan with oil. Then add the tomato puree, mix sugar, salt, chili flakes and oregano. Cook on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes until the sauce thickens. Now let's start assembling. Brush a little oil on a baking tray or pizza pan. Take the prepared dough and spread it in a round shape. Spread the pizza sauce prepared earlier evenly on it. Then spread the cooked chicken pieces. Then add chopped onion slices, capsicum slices, tomato slices, jalapeno, as desired, grated mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, as desired, a little oregano and chili flakes. Oven baking instructions. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. When the cheese melts and the borders of the pizza turn light brown, you will know that the pizza is ready. Before serving, take out the pizza and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then slice it as desired and serve. If you want, you can sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on top. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Stay well and stay healthy.